the whole point is to, like, you know, minimize your beauty regimen. And so taking mascara out, which for a lot of women it takes a long time.
Yeah.
Because it always goes wrong. So when you get these, like, I don't think I wore makeup for like 2 weeks. Like, I put foundation on and called it a day. Just because it's easier.
How long do they last?
They can last up to 3 weeks. And then just till you get a fill, so they're not gonna all fall off. They'll shed with your natural lash. And then once those come out, then you just come back in because your eyelashes will keep growing in.
So what do you say is the biggest benefit to having these lashes?
I think it makes you feel better, just all together, because I mean, you wake up perfect and everyone wants perfect lashes.